This type of makeup look is Fuchsia Graphic Liner. If you want to know how I created this makeup, then keep on watching. Applying the eye primer from MAC, the Prep and Prime. I'm using Morphe X James Charles the mini palette for my eyeshadow. And I'm picking up purple and the light purple color. Alright guys, let's start with the makeup look, the Fuchsia Graphic Liner. This is just very easy makeup look, so let's get started. I put a tape at the outer V of my eye to create that very sharp outer V. And I'm using an angled brush to create my winged liner. And I'm applying the eyeshadow from outer V towards the middle of my crease. So I'm just creating this perfect winged liner of my crease. And I'm using a different brush and a light pink color to apply at the inner corner of my lid. I just want to create this perfect winged liner, so I keep applying the colors, the combination. So from the inner corner to the middle of my crease, I'm applying this light shade to connect with the winged liner. I'm applying the same shade towards my lower lash line. And I'm applying Rimmel black liner to create the outer V line. And I'm applying the black shade to enhance my outer V winged liner. I'm creating a soft edge towards my outer V. I'm diffusing this black shade to create a very soft winged liner. With the same black shade, I'm applying it towards my lash line as well. And I'm finishing my makeup with the setting spray from Tarte. And there you have it guys, that's it for my eye makeup look. It's very simple and this is perfect for Christmas eye look. And that's it for this makeup video. Hope you enjoy watching my video guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye!